Riri arumireria uria wari munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua marethagathaga kumwamukira KIHARO-INI kia ndege kia JOMO KENYATTA kana gakiumia giki riria gakorwo gicoka kuma bururi-ini wa AMERIKA. MINISTA wa UGITIRI wa THIINI KIPCHUMBA Murkomen NIERANIIRE thirikari nigathikite mitaratara mikinyaniru ya guthingatithia UGITIRI wa muingi na indo guothe bururi-ini. Akiaria ri kaunti-ini ya Murang'a hindi ya kigomano kia jukwaa la usalama, Murkomen ugite gutiri mundu gwitikirio guthoga kana kuharagania thayu wa muingi guku bururi-ini gutekumakania gikiro giake gia giuteti.
The security sector is prepared to deal with any insecurity issues. The last time he was around and there were so many goons in the term of protests, we were very prepared, and every other minute the National Police Service is prepared to protect citizens and their property. We, of course, are aware of those elements of threatening disruptions, threatening football, threatening all these other issues. I need to say that we will take legal action against anybody who is going to break law.
Ona kuri uguo Murkomen ugite bururi ukoretwo na thayu muingi kuma riria Rigathi athire Amerika.
In the last few months or weeks when he has not been around, the country has been very peaceful. And so you have a point by saying that perhaps the security agencies should be prepared for a more chaotic environment as a result of his coming back to the country. I wish Kenya remained peaceful as it was for the last 3 to 4 weeks. And I wish people continue their political activities in a more peaceful environment like we've seen in the last 4 or 5.
Oho NIERANIIRE ni ekuhurana na ikundi cia wikinae makiririra nyitwo baru ni ateti akiuga ikundi ici ni ugwati hari urumwe na thayu wa bururi.
The new phenomenon is that it's not just even about, politicians are not building long-lasting gangs. That is not their idea. They are looking to take advantage of young people for short assignments, and you see, as they do so, they embolden, these older sects or new ones. They also create some kind of demand.
Muthenya wa ira atongoria kiama kia DCP matongoretio ni Cleophas Malala ni marokirire thirikari makiugana na mubango wa guikia ngono Rigathi akinya KIHARO-INI kia JKIA o undu umwe na kwaragania andu aria magakorwo meyumiritie kumwamukira.
We are also adequately informed of the mischief and also plans by President William Ruto to have our party leader arrested upon his arrival at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. We are also informed that William Ruto is planning to divert his plane to either Kisumu or Mombasa International Airports to arrest him from there.
Rigathi atanyitwo gukinya guku bururi-ini kana gakiumia giki thutha wa gutire icera riake ria makiria ma mweri umwe bururi-ini wa Amerika riu agitanywo gucokererio teti-ini wa ithurano nini iria itanyitwo gugatabanio tariki 27 mweri wa 11 na kuria kiama giake kia DCP gigakorwo gigithima na hinya na ciama iria ingi cia giuteti.